Huh. Yeah.
And you fly all line of sight.
Yeah. So my old previous quadcopter line of sight skills are coming into play now. Which is a great bonus.
When you first started, Bertie, you were flying helicopters, right?
Yeah, line of sight.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try not to. This is only my second time flying this build. Oh, I forgot to attach the beeper. Yeah, with these motors, they're the RCX racing motors, 1407s. It's a 3S 700 milliamp. S didn't have enough power for these motors. These are the motors that I flew on 4S. I have no idea. I just built it. That's why I want to attach the beeper, the low voltage beeper. I forgot to attach it.
Bro, that's so sick.
She's down. Yeah, she's not